Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm up here at my favorite flying spot up here at this open field behind the school where I love to fly. You guys have seen me fly here a lot. It's where I fly most of the time. I got my Mobula7 HD and 3 battery packs, and I got my iFlight ix2 with 3 battery packs. And I'm gonna try to fly all 3 packs with each one unless I break something. And then the plan is to edit all 3 packs from both drones, take the best shots from all 3 packs of both drones and edit it into one video. So it's gonna cut a lot. It's not gonna be a 1-pack flight or a 1-pack rip or nothing like that. It's gonna be, I'm not that good yet. I'm not good enough yet, but I'm gonna try to do my best and do some cool stuff, and I'm gonna take the best shots from all 3 packs on both drones and put it into one video for you guys. So here we go. Let's get to flying, and you guys check this out. Make sure you leave me a comment and let me know what you think, and if you like the video, leave a like. Oh yeah, and subscribe with the bell. All right guys, here we go. Thank you for watching. right, guys, that's gonna do it. I didn't make it through 3 packs on the iFlight, so I lost my camera lens protector, and I couldn't print another one because it wasn't the right size, and I can't print in TPU. And I tried to fly through that back there, and I wasn't good enough yet, and I crashed, and now I cracked my camera lens. So I gotta either get a new lens or a whole new camera. I'm not sure which, but yeah, I'm kind of sad about it. I don't know if it'll still fly. I'm sure it'll still fly, but I can't really probably fly it like that. So I'll have to get a new part for it before I can fly it anymore. But I'll definitely fix it and get it back in the air as soon as I can for you guys and for me. But that's gonna do it on this video. So the first flights was the Mobula7, and the second flights was the ix2. I only made it through 1 battery pack on the iFlight. And then I tried to fly through there, and I was doing okay, and I turned the corner, and then I started to fall, and I gave it some gas, and it come up and hit the roof, and then it landed on the camera. So I'm gonna have to print another camera protector and figure out the right size on it and get a new camera, and then I'll get it back in the air. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.